Oh man. She grabs her shoes, head down in the rain.
Nobody's sad right now.
And the chorus of the times you could not refrain. Sun dresses the horizon. She grabs her phone and texts a lot. But you're where you're supposed to be this time. Watch the lightning flash across the window pane, but you can barely see the morning through the rain. Hey, I carry distance like a burden. My encumbrance and my strength. 40 years across the sands of your devotion and my shame. So I'll blow a kiss across the garden. Gethsemane seems to me Virginia's just a brick to ease the pain. I'm hardly able to solve the sugar from the cane, but I can barely see the morning through the rain. And all my memories fit in your frame, but I can barely see the morning through the rain. The day you judges me, flood submerging the eye, and the scented land, and the flavor on my face. Every heart you feel, there is a hole.
Leave me alone! Go away! I'm in my zone! Leave me alone! It's so fucking annoying. I'm in my
So
zone!
won't you call me Moses?
It's so annoying.
Oh, won't you call my name? Call me home, call me through the dark when I have lost my way. Did you see me? Trust me, even when I lie. Believe me when I say I'll try to change. These clouds could wash me clean, all my sin and all my shame. But I can barely see you through the rain. All the world is running circles between heaven and the drain. I can barely see Virginia through the rain. I can barely see Virginia through the rain. Yeah, I can barely see
Are they kicking
Virginia
him out?
through the rain.
Are they?